today we'll talk about how can you disable events notifications on your Discord app. So you just go down, click on you down here. When you click here on you here, it's going to take you to your profile. Go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. You just scrolling down here until you will find here notifications, click on it. So then you click here on get notifications outside of Discord, click on it. So then you click here on notifications, click on notification categories. Then you just scrolling down here until you will find event notifications, clicking this sign or this color. Sorry, we will go back. You will find here events notifications, click on this sign. Like you see, events notifications disabled with us now here. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.